So you have to create a letter firstly, any letter. Then in the letter we will have some spaces where we want to fill what? The data. Okay, maybe we have 100 students and we want to give data to the 100 students and so on, right? So what I do firstly is we will start the mail merge here. Start the mail merge. Done. Then we can do the letter, email or whatever. Then we use step-by-step mail merge. When we do the step-by-step mail merge, then we got the right side this thing, where we can say the letters, email, envelope, labels, directories or whatever. So I will choose the letter firstly. The default one is letter, so let me choose the letter. And then on the bottom here, out of 6 steps, we have the 6 steps, okay? So out of 6 steps, the first step over, we say next, cancel. We say start document, okay? Now, when we say start document, then we are saying use the current document. Definitely, I want to use the current document. और या अगर आपको already letter लिख के हुई है, so you can choose this and select that letter जो कि आपने सेव की होगी, ठीक है? I will use the current document. Say now next recipients. नीचे वाला था ना यहाँ पे recipients, क्या वो? यानी कि अब आप किन को भेजना चाहते हो? ये तो 2 चीजें हुई ना इसमें. एक तो लेटर है जो आप भेजना चाहते हो और लोग हैं, स्टूडेंट्स हैं, कौन लोग हैं जिनको भेजना चाहते हो, ठीक है? सो लेटर इज जेनरिक, ये कॉमन लेटर है, और भेजना चाहता हूं मैं 100 लोगों को फॉर एग्जांपल. वो कौन है वो लोग? या तो उनका आपके पास वो एग्जिस्टिंग लिस्ट है तो वो आप ब्राउज करेंगे, वो एक्सेल में आपने बनाया होगा उनका लिस्ट, ठीक है? या आप आउटलुक कॉन्टैक्ट्स, आउटलुक जो ईमेल का है उस जो आपका है आउटलुक जिसके अंदर आपका ईमेल वगैरह होगा, हॉटमेल एंड ऑल, उसमें आपने कॉन्टैक्ट्स आउटलुक में बनाए होंगे, ठीक है? या तो वो है, या आपने अभी कुछ नहीं बनाया है, आपको कॉन्टैक्ट्स अभी नहीं है, पहली बार आए हैं तो बनाएंगे. टाइप ए न्यू लिस्ट, वी से टाइप है. आप इसी पेज पे हो आप लोग जी. देन आई विल से हियर क्रिएट. आई विल से हियर व्हाट? सो क्रिएट में आई विल गेट काइंड ऑफ अ डेटाबेस कि मैं करना क्या चाहता हूं. फॉर एग्जांपल यहाँ पे अगर आप देखेंगे तो यहाँ पे टाइटल है वगैरह है. मैं इसको पहले कस्टमाइज करूंगा कॉलम्स को. यहाँ पे देखो ये वाला कस्टमाइज कॉलम्स, इसमें टाइटल मेरे को नहीं चाहिए, मैं डिलीट करूंगा इसको. यस. फर्स्ट नेम लास्ट नेम हो गया. कंपनी नेम मेरे को नहीं चाहिए, डिलीट. यस. एड्रेस लाइन 2 नहीं चाहिए, डिलीट. सिटी हो गया, स्टेट हो गया, जिप कोड मेरे को नहीं चाहिए, ओके. एंड कंट्री मेरे को नहीं चाहिए अभी फॉर एग्जांपल. वर्क फोन नंबर नहीं चाहिए, होम फोन नंबर मेरे पास है और ईमेल एड्रेस मेरे पास है. एंड आई से ओके. अब ये मेरी हेडिंग्स बन गई और मैं इनमें डेटा भर सकता हूं. इनमें क्या भर सकता हूं मैं? फॉर एग्जाम्पल पहला मेरा क्या है? व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट थिंग आई हैव? आई हैव फर्स्टली द फर्स्ट नेम. फर्स्ट नेम इज मेरे से फॉर एग्जाम्पल मसीहा, ओके. व्हाट इज द सेकंड नेम? व्हाट इज योर लास्ट नेम? पता नहीं इसको ये छोटा क्यों आ रहा है. ओके, इट इज मुश्ताक. ओके. टैब एड्रेस नवाकदल फॉर एग्जाम्पल. हाँ, टैब. उसके बाद क्या है? श्रीनगर. टैब स्टेट जे एंड के, राइट. उसके बाद है हमारा फोन नंबर, whatever. Then email ID, whatever email IDs, I give my email ID to everything @live.in. What's my email ID? I say new entry. Now maybe I give to the next guy whose name is Junaid, okay, who has got some address, who has got something, who has got Srinagar, who got the state, who got some phone number, and maybe the email ID is again the same, juni@live.in. And I can have hundreds of such contacts, or listen, you can have hundreds of such contacts, or you can have already list of contacts in your Outlook, okay, or you can create the number of students you have. Got it? Maybe I create one more entry, third entry, new entry. So the name is ABC, ABS, whatever. I'm filling up random data so quickly. and I say OK. You can delete any entry, you can find entry, and you can customize the columns. If you want to add more columns and all, you can do that here. And then you say OK. Once you say OK, you want to save this file. You want to what? Say, maybe I say it as a contacts. You will save this as contacts.mdb. This becomes a database. Okay, this becomes a MDB, means Microsoft database. This will become a database. This will become what? This will be created as a database. Now you can, here in this window, you can edit it, you can sort it, you can filter it, and all that. You can do a lot of things here. And I say OK. Or you can validate the address and you say OK. Now I got my I got the file. I got what? Then I say next, write your letter. Write your letter. I got the letter. This is my letter. Okay. Now I want to, because now my letter is linked with that data I created. Now I can go here, for example, and I go here down, press enter, and I will say here, for example, insert merge field. Now I will say first name. Here I'm going to have the first name. Then I say enter, insert merge field. Maybe I select the address, line 1, okay? And I select the enter field, and then I go here, insert merge field, and I am selecting the city, insert, okay? Now I go here at the dear, for example here, wherever I have to fill those names, I will go here dear, and I am using insert merge field and the first name. Now I got here first name, I got here the first name, I got address and city. And you can fill like in the end, thanks, after that, whatever field you want to fill, okay? Now what will happen by this is, if I have 100 people in my list, I created just 3. Maybe I have 100 people. It will create 100 letters with proper first name, last name and city, whatever is in the data. Let us see. Now you say preview letter. We go to the preview letter. It's like this, see. As you could see here, it's telling me, it's filling up Masiha, Nawakadal, Srinagar. And dear Masiha is coming up, right? Now I can see the next one. If the recipient 1, I can go to the next recipient here. The recipient 2nd is Junaid, and there's a random data. Recipient 3rd is ABS, there's a random data. It's filling up, it's creating the letters with all those credentials. Got it? Now I can say complete the merge, okay? After complete the merge, we are done. We can say print. You can go for preview or you can say print. Mail merge is ready to produce your letter, okay? I say print. And now you can print all, and I will use the PDF drive to do that. I will say, if you have a printer, then it will go printer. If you have a PDF, you can go for PDF. Or you can send the emails. You can send what? You can send the emails. Now it's telling me to save the name. I will say this letter as, I will keep this letter somewhere. Otherwise it's short. Okay. I will put it on a desktop. Can you see desktop somewhere? Okay, I will say put here, and I go to the desktop and I name it my letter. Now we are done. Okay, got it? Now you can, same way, if I see firstly this letter which is on the desktop somewhere, my letter, where is that my letter? Can you see my letter somewhere? यहाँ पे oh, that was a PDF. Oh, I am finding the word. I'm actually finding the word. Now you see, it is first letter which is having this thing, then it is creating the second letter with the name, then it's third letter, right, with the exact credentials. So you can either print it or you can send it as an email. Now your home assignment is, use the YouTube and all. You can see there's tons of video on it. How you mail merge and send email to all these people. This letter should go in the email. Got it? That's your assignment. That's all for today.